the tagger?
The rat.
Don't drop
The rat
into
is.
the water.
The rat's the tagger.
Rule number 2. Never drop the soap on the floor. Rule number 3. Now you can't do it to me this time. Guys, I think Black's it. Look at that! Everyone! No, I'm the tagger, okay? Everyone, I'm the tagger.
Blue over there is the tagger. Dark blue's the tagger.
I'm the tagger, so I'm going to win, and y'all better run, okay? Because the
Guys, run. Guys, run.
Help me, Here, take it.
So don't say I'm cheating.
This would save you. This would save you. Y'all better go hide. Here. 1. Here, this will save you. I'm coming. No. 4. Help me, I'm sorry. I'm drowning. Help me. Give me this soap back. 8. No. I said 9. 10. 11. I'm counting. You better run. Oh my God! Hurry up! Go right now. I'm gonna kill line. Hurry up! 11. Hurry up! 12. I'm waiting in line. 13. Hurry up, White. White, hurry up. White, hurry up. 19. White, hurry up. 20. Yippee. Bye.
Here he comes.
Guys,
The man himself.
I'm running.
Hi, Blue.
No. Run from what? I'm ready.
Crazy Juke.
Tag, Mr. Cheese, go help me with the stuff. No, that's not how it works. Tag, I'm the tagger like Gorilla Tag. Tag, I'm ahead.
Oh, it's infection.
Whenever I say tag, that means I tagged y'all. Now get out there.
Yeah, I think we know that. Where is bro going? Where is bro going? Come on. Do.
I know where you're tracking it.
Go.
The cat is and I can't tag you. Bro, cat, why are you? No, the red thing's going down the I scream so loud.
Ooh.
I know you're dead. Help me!
Crazy.
I'm drowning. Guys, I'm in.
Who?
I'm tagging.
Who?
You're already tagged. You're not in. I haven't tagged you guys yet. God damn it! The timer's running out. I'm gonna tag you. No. The lava. No. J-Man Curly's in. No, I ain't. I'm dead. I'm gay. I tagged you. Tag, you're it. I tagged you. You aren't, guys. I just tagged you. You know what else? I'm gay. The J-Man Curly guy's cheating. I tagged them.
Blue, come get us.
Monkey.
Oh God.
Guys, I'm not it. It's that guy. It's the one with the bow tie. Run, guys. Run. Blue, you're
Dancing in the moonlight.
Tag. Go you.
Ooh, ooh, ah.
Give it.
I'm waiting.
You're
Blue.
it. Hello, guys. This is
Blue.
You're it.
Hey, Blue.
It was a joke, bro.
Come over here. Come over here like a good dog.
Nah, look at this blue off freak. Like, bro, he's so bad. He needs to get better. Yo, okay. I will be right back. I'll come back as the tagger. I just have
Oh, he's gonna put on
upgrade.
speed boost, isn't he? He's gonna put on speed boost.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna put on.
What are you gonna put on? Show us.
I sword.
Oh damn! Run! Run, White!
Everyone, you better go. I am not being serious.
Where's the sword guy?
Where's the sword guy? Where's the sword guy? Hey, sword guy, you wanna fight? No, sword guy, you wanna fight? Still is tag people.
Oh, Jerry, you want a parrot? Oh, Runa's thy pocket. Runa's thy pocket.
I'm not fighting you. You know this isn't just a tag. You can't even kill me. I can only kill y'all because I just killed you. You have a halo above.
Boy, man, let's ruin his pocket.
Oh, what the heck? Well, that means I'm not even dead. It's just a game.
I'm waiting for you.
You know, you don't feel death, you know that.
What?
You guys probably didn't know this, but you could do that. Yeah, do you want to be the tagger? You want to be the tagger?
No.
Did you guys know you could do this? Okay.
Bro, come on, I'm waiting.
Did you guys know you could do that?
Iggly biggly doo.
Guys, did you know you could do that? Wait for the blue ball. Let's go.
How long? Wait, how much are you?
Get out the tub.
No, hold on. How much are you gonna count to? What are you gonna count to?
I'm gonna count to 11, so you better go 11.
Oh, he's gonna count to 11.
1,
Diggity doo and diggity doo go.
2,
I'm a diva.
3. Wait, what comes after 3? 4.
You idiot! How do you not? I only know how to get the 4. I only know how to get the 4. I can only count to 4.
Wait, let me try again.
You were at 4.
2, 3, 4. I know I'm gonna be on your team. 7. I can't be on your team. Yeah. 6. Wait. Oh my.
You left off at 8.
Okay, don't talk to me. I need to count while they're gonna run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Come on.
I'm not being serious.
Why so serious?
Bye.
Why so serious, pal?
Guys, Blue will never get me.
Why so serious?
Cats, I'll go catch them. Blue, you'll never get me.
Why so serious?
Are you so serious right now? Tag. Are you using speed boost?
Yeah, I've been using it.
Guys, is this infection tag? Wait.
I don't even know.
They can't be no cheating. They can't be no cheating.
What cheating?
Guys, these infection tag. If you get tagged, then you guys are already the tagger. Are you stupid? I know a tagger. I know a tagger. I know a tagger. Are you ain't the tagger?
Yeah.
What diggly do? Yeah, but there's no modding allowed.
You can't tell me that. I've been using it the whole time.
Get you.
Yeah. So I'm stuck.
I don't know what to say.
Are you gonna come towards me?
Yeah, but this is not fair because anyone can tag you.
Well, I mean, you guys can counter me. You can like double me.
Yeah, but that's not fair because if someone tries to tag you, then it would just all be all being the winner because no one else can be the winner. Meow. You're gonna be the winner. You're gonna go again. You're gonna be the winner. We're gonna go again. You're gonna be the winner. Like that's not fair. Blue, you're so bad with the halo. Stop, Blue, you're so bad. Look at me. I want.
Then how about you use mods? We're not stopping you.
I don't even have. Blue just don't even have you on yet.
Well,
I'm
not turning off speed boost. I'm not turning off speed boost.
Oh my god! I rage quit.
Ain't no way he's quitting over me using speed boost. That's crazy.
Yeah, because that's not fair for everyone else. That's not fair for everyone else.
Oh, then everybody else can use mods. Everybody who has mods can use mods. I really don't care.
I got mods. Yeah, but what about they?
I got
Hey, you
mods.
green. What about they don't have
Thanks,
mods?
everybody.
Hey, you green. I can't get you. What about they don't have mods?
Okay.
Wait, blue tag you it. This is not fair. The glitch.
Okay.
I tagged
I'm not.
green. I tagged
I'm not turning it off.
Literally not.
Guess what? I tagged
I'm not using the glitch. It just does that. I don't know how or why.
See, you guys can trio me now. You guys can target me. You three can target me. You might have a chance of getting me.
Look, if you already played the game. What about we don't? Because we can't even tag you.
No, there is a chance of getting me.
Tag, you're it.
Blue almost got me.
You're it.
There's no chance.
Yeah, there is. Blue almost got me. He was like an inch away from touching me. So there is like a chance. Oh no.
Gonna get you.
Wait, I know what that is.
Okay, the clock. Okay, it looks like you're the winner, I guess.
I'm
Patrick.
what?
You're the winner.
I remember
I'm
you.
what?
You're the winner because you used.
No, I'm not the winner.
Oh,
I'm not the winner.
Yes, you are. Hey, go
No.
ahead. You're way gonna
That white is still in. The white over there is still in.
Patrick.
It's down to me and him.
Patrick.
There's more to me to tag him.
It's Vex. But still, it's Patrick. It's Patrick.
Yeah, we got Patrick.
Then how about I be the tagger next
Patrick in the
round?
club.
Also, you guys can sneak attack. You guys can sneak attack me. Oh yeah, let's.
Patrick.
No, I want to keep playing tag.
Patrick.
Can I go? Can I go and tag little kids? Round then in 1991.
Oh, it's still you.
I think I have one chance tagging you guys.
Patrick. Okay, that's kind of scary, Patrick.
I don't get any.
Patrick.
I'm not.
Oh, there's a rat. I want that so bad. Do I get the rat, guys? Guys, do I get the rat? Guys. I have 16K.
See,
I have
you got me.
16K. What do I
He
get?
got
I
me.
think I
What's-
tagged you
what skin do
already
I
because you got it in my way.
You
Because
think
I
I'm
think I tagged you.
6,000.
Okay. So now I'm
You was
in.
running
That's
from
not
Blue,
right.
and I was right
I don't
here.
even know how much I have.
Yeah, see, you can tag me.
There's like 20 numbers.
Yes, you said you wanted to
Rat.
Now
I'll
we're
get
gonna
it.
guys,
It's like 20 numbers. when it's going off the screen.
Absolutely cool.
Okay, I'm
That's how
not.
much
I think I saw. You know that black dude? I think I saw him in the like that last server.
You know, what if we play tag like
My
whole map
number
though?
command
Like the
is
whole map.
literally going off the screen. I can't even count that high.
Yeah, let's do it in a
20
different map.
numbers.
What map should we do?
No, like if,
11,000.
over here, over here.
Still.
Okay.
Why? This is scary. Wait.
I'll be it. I'll be it. Go run, run. Why?
Just doing games.
Why?
We're gonna try to find stuff. Like, that's how it's like that.
It's not scary.
Oh my god.
7.
Oh, guys, go run, go run.
You're way cooler than me.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah. You're
5,
gonna be the
6,
tagger.
7, 8, 9,
Okay, that's how much I have.
11, 12, 13,
Too much.
14,
Buy up.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here I come. Oogada boogada. Gotcha, Blue. Yeah. Here I come. Where are you? Guys, come on. Let's go find the others.
It's a crazy frog.
We have to tag them.
They got
Oh, wow.
This.
It doesn't work. It may be invisible.
Yo, guys, I'm the cameraman. I'm the
Guys, it's a hack. I'm hacking. I'm invisible.
cameraman.
Hello.
Where did he
They're not here.
What's
back here? What's back here? Come on.
Oh crap, no, thank you. Oh no.
Found you. Which one of you? Oh, got you, J-Man.
Are you eating my
Hold on, wait, J-Man, come here, come here. J-Man, come back. J-Man, J-Man. Come back. No, Halo guy.
I do not like that. Please
Blue, you. Listen, hey, you. Come here. Oh shit.
Holy crap, Davey, our Davey, I hear Davey.
Wait.
You, oh god, bro.
The Grim Reaper.
Where is he? Let's go hunting.
God,
Get over here.
God, wait, stop.
That way.
God, wait, stop. If you see somebody named Beck, run from them. If you see somebody named Beck,
Oh no!
Run!
Are we running?
Get away! Run! Go this way!
You're stuck.
Oh my god!
No, Vex, what do we do? Sorry. Vex, what did I do? Vex, what did I do?
Wait. Hey, chill.
Guys, run from Vex. Run. No, go back, Vex. Vex is in here. Vex is in here.
Go this way.
Oh no. Yo, we're... Davey, come on. Guys,
Oh, he's still. Wait, Vex. Where's Vex?
Yeah.
Where's Vex? Wait,
Vex is good.
Vex, I have an idea. Everybody line up behind him. Everyone line up behind him. Everyone line up behind him. Vex, you're gonna chase us, okay? Vex, you're gonna chase us.
Yeah, Vex, chase us with the Daisy.
Yeah, play the Daisy.
Play the Daisy 09.
Play Daisy.
Play Daisy 09 and chase us down.
Play Daisy.
Please. Yo, what do you have?
Play Daisy. Come on.
Please.
That's really bad.
You suck.
Did he leave?
Daisy and chase
Oh no,
us,
he's here.
please.
Play Daisy. Run! Everyone run! Split up!
I got speakers on just for this moment.
You're so bad that your family doesn't even love you. You don't even have one, I forgot. Go, you should get cooked.
Who is it? Where are they going?
Please don't ban me.
I don't like that.
Don't chase us. Yeah, Daisy, thank you for shouting up and going into the fire. Yeah, don't you dare chase us, stupid. I did it.
Wait, spawn him!
Alexa, what time
Spawn
is it?
him! Spawn him!
Oh, no.
Do the ritual!
Everybody put your
Do
hands
the
up.
ritual!
Guys, I want to see exactly what you're in.
Do a ritual!
Everybody put your hands up in front of the campfire. Go to the campfire and put your hands up. We're going to summon him.
I do not want to run.
We're gonna summon Vex. Did he leave? Oh, he's here!
I totally put that.
Blue, he's here. Vex,
You are
play
a
the
king.
Daisy. You're gonna chase him.
I
Alright,
would
bud?
do anything. Please. Yeah, get out. Virgo, you are the king.
You may now kiss the bride.
Oh!
You suck, Davey. Why I'm not behind you? You better run.
He's not dead.
Run, he's so cute.
You better run. You better run. Wait, I call him friend.
Please don't chase me. You suck, Davey. Run is so goofy.
He's not even on it. Daisy, I
You're fat, Daisy. Yeah, you're fat, Daisy.
Daisy,
You stink like poo-poo.
I said you was the king.
You stink like poo-poo. You stink like poo-poo. Daisy did. Yeah, we're shouting.
Oh, he's angry.
I
He's getting mad.
I should probably run.
Summon him.
Yeah, I think I also made
Oh,
him.
you.
Summon him.
Summon him.
Summon him.
You stink. God, whenever you go to the
Summon him so he will play Stadium on.
Come here, boy. Come here, Stinky.
Shut up, Daisy. You suck.
Stinky.
Guys, I'm running.
Stinky.
I'm gonna go. Guys. Help me. God, whenever you get guys,
Oh.
I'm green. Kill Daisy.
I'm sorry.
Daisy's behind you.
I'm sorry.
You're so fat that your mom
I'm
left
sorry.
you 3. Daisy, you're so fat. Daisy, you're bigger than the black hole. You're bigger than the sun. You're bigger than Queso. You would choke to the Gundam style. Chase me down. Yeah. Guys, stop saying mean things there. Make them play the dun. You're so fat,
Yo.
Daisy.
You're stinky. You're stinky.
Where's he at? I'm scared. I'm scared he's gonna haunt me. I'm scared too. I'm dark red. I thought he's gonna haunt me. Is he in here?
He's in fire. Fire. He's happy.
Good. He's good.
Make him mad.
No spawns in there.
You're stinky. You're stinky.
Whenever he goes to the mirror, he's gonna play the Daisy 09. That's when he's mad. Whenever he goes to the mirror, he's mad.
Take a
So
bath.
he's gonna play the Daisy 09.
Take a bath.
You're stinky.
Take a bath.
You smell
Take
bad.
a bath.
You're stinky. You're ugly.
Take a bath. You stink. Take a bath. You stink.
We made him.
You stink.
Oh, he's getting angry.
Whenever he plays that, stay back.
He's getting angry.
Yeah,
He's
whenever
getting
he plays
angry.
that, you gotta stay back.
You're trash.
You're trash. You're stinky. You're ugly.
You're fat. You're stinky. You're fat. You take a shower. Go back to your stinky hole.
It's okay,
Take
bro.
a shower.
They're lying.
And everybody hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Let's just stay back. Everybody stay back. Everybody stay back.
Woo! I'm sorry.
Take a shower. You stink.
Yeah, take it. Take a shower. Like chicken. Yeah, like chicken.
Mom, there's a bomb.
Take a shower.
Really, take a
Set
shower.
it off with your farts.
You're right. Oh, right.
Ah!
Oh, he's about to play the Daisy on
Oh.
He's about to play the Daisy on
Oh.
Everybody be prepared.
Oh.
No, I mean to protect John.
I need to put.
Oh no, he's about to play the Daisy on 9.
Run.
Oh shit.
This way. Everyone, this way.
Hurry up, guys! I'm dead off the block.
Split up. Everyone split up.
Your little bag.
Oh my god! Wait, he's running.
Come here.
No. He's over there. He's over there. Oh, run!
There's nobody behind.
Your bag.
Turn back. Just turn back. Turn back.
Split up. Everyone split up. Everyone split up.
Max. Are you so small, Max? Look behind you.
God, this sounds so weird.
Where is he going?
It sounds weird.
Max.
No. No. Oh no. That's a little one.
There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. No, get away. Get away. Get away from me. Get away. Get away.
Yes, you'll be good. You'll be good. You'll be good.
Please. I didn't do anything. please. I'm sorry, whatever I did.
Chair. Where are you
I'm sorry.
People, put on the chair. Yeah, put on the chair when you kick people. If you touch them, you have to put them in the He's good. Yeah, Stinky Daisy 09. Get out of here. Stand still.
He's attracted to the other blue. Take a bath.
Blue, it's
Are you following people?
Blue, you're cooked. Blue, you're cooked. You might as well accept your fate. There's no running. There's no running. Accept your fate, Blue.
Yeah, Blue, you're gonna die.
Oh, never mind.
I hope he's away. Who's he following now?
Who are you
Hopefully
following?
not me.
Green! Get away from Green! Get away from Green!
You stink!
Yo, when you come after next, huh? You stink! Come after Mega! You stinky boy. Yeah, good thing you didn't say I mean, wait, there's the other chair!
Where's Vex?
Daisy, you're stinky! You're stinky!
Then go inside the fire!
Where the heck is Vex?
There's a soundboard in there.
You left.
Soundboard in there. That he can
Daisy,
equip
you're
tactical
stinky.
samples.
Daisy, you are stinky. Hey, everybody, come to the fire and put your hands up like this so we can summon Daisy.
Summon him.
I'm doing it!
Doesn't it just look
Bomb!
like hell?
Everybody, mock the words! Everybody, mock the words! We must summon Daisy 09.
We must summon Daisy 09. We must summon Daisy 09.
Daisy!
Is he here?
Guys, I got a thing. You stink like you.
He's still here.
And nobody like you.
Daisy, come back! We are looking for you, please!
You stink
Come
like
back.
you. And nobody
Come
like
back.
you.
Let me break the door so I can get out! Let me break the door! Everybody try and break the door!
Run!
If you put the
Break down the door!
it's gonna
That's
blow.
a big
It's gonna blow!
Where do you get that at? Where do you get the side now you gotta get out. Guys, I'm gonna be the...
He's here. He's here. He's here. He's here.
Oh,
He's here.
Everybody. Wait, he has no ears. Guys, look, he has no ears. He has no
He
ears.
does have no ears. Weird.
He actually has no ears. Wait, is he banning us? What's he
He
pointing
has a
at?
big... Where is he pointing at?
1305. Monkey 1305 run.
Wait a minute.
That's me. That's
No, I think
me.
that's Monkey
My name is
3941.
9940.
Okay. Not me, because my name
He has
is...
no ears.
Monkey
Guys, look, he has no ears. He has no
3941.
ears.
Please don't point at my name.
Are you gonna kill us?
Are you after me?
Are you gonna kill us?
Don't point at
Chase
the
me.
bottom person.
Chase me.
Don't
Chase me.
Are you gonna kill us?
Chase me now.
Nice tasty apple.
Chase me.
Nice tasty apple, guys. Some nice tasty apples. Yum, 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 yum.
Ah! Chase me now.
Daisy, are you mad at us?
That's some good nice tasty apples.
Daisy, stop walking if you're mad at us.
Daisy, fly at me and you're coming to ban me.
Oh, you didn't stop.
No, come back. Come back.
Come back. Fly at me.
Wait, guys.
Stand where I am.
I'll go
Stand
in
where I
third
am.
person.
Open the
Guys,
door.
I'll go in third person and see
Fire
him
in the
behind there.
holes.
You know what?
Wait,
Where can you get this shiny
Third person. Holy crap. Big back there.
Wait, how can you get this size changer? Is it on the trusted window?
God, it's big back there. Holy crappies.
Bro, now.
Holy crappy snackles. That's big.
Bro, get away.
We got he left.
Hey, yeah. That's big.
He left?
He left. I'm not good.
He left.
I'm third person camera. I'm in the third person camera. I can see everything, bro.
Yes,
What do you mean
Bombs
you can't see anything? I see so much. Also, why are there big red apples here? They look delicious.
Oh, they're just tasty. Now you're blowing up. You shouldn't eat those.
Guys, sacrifice.
Wait, what do you get the size change?
Sacrifice.
What do you get the size change?
Sacrifice. Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's a big rat. That's a big rat.
Green, green,
Green,
sacrifice me.
I can move without you.
Green, sacrifice me. Sacrifice me.
Your arms, when you were moving, your arms just went.
Green, sacrifice me.
Arcade if you want to play a deadly game.
Sacrifice. Sacrifice.
Oh.
Sacrifice.
No.
Sacrifice.
Okay, don't push me in the fire though.
Sacrifice.
Don't push me in the fire though.
Sacrifice.
I can move without using my hands.
Help me.
Oh my god, he's floating.
Let me try. Get in here. Alright, guys, you want to know the deadly game? The deadly game is called Smile. It's a troll. Somebody has to, the rat is going to be a smile guy and we're going to run in the sewers. Everybody come in sewers, we're going to start the game. Everybody come in sewers, we're going to start the game.
Alright, everybody go to sewers. Everyone go to sewers.
White, you're going to be the monster Smile. White,
What?
you're going to be the monster
Wait, me?
Smile.
Me?
White,
Me?
yeah, no, not you. The one with the cone hat. Wait, where's the one with the cone hat?
I'll be the monster.
Oh,
No,
you're
I'll
right
be
there.
the monster.
You're right
I volunteer.
I'm getting
Wait, let me take these back.
no, I volunteer to be the monster.
Wait,
Just wait,
whenever
guys,
we
guys,
say
I have an idea.
smile, you have to
I'm the
run in
monster
the
now.
sewers and try and get us.
So
Everybody,
whoever
3, 2, 1. Go into it. Go into it. Not you, white pro hat. Not you, white pro hat. Gets mod. 5.
Come on, guys.
4, 3, 2.
Split up. Split up.
Try and get us. No, guys, we can be together. We can be together.
No, everyone split up. Split up. Run.
It's not him. It's not him. The
Run.
smile
Guys,
guy
run.
is big.
I saw him. I saw him.
Well, you saw him?
He was chasing me. Hide.
I go behind this board.
Holy crap, who's that? Gotta turn back. Everybody, you can stay here while I go turn back.
Let's look. Let's search for it. Let's search.
I got 2 for
We have to juke him.
We have to juke him, guys. We're cooked. No, we're cooked.
You
We're
have to
cooked.
try and touch us.
We're cooked.
And the next one has to be the monster. No, give us the rest. Oh, shoot, who is he got? Everybody. Whenever I say stop, we have to stop moving. Stop moving. You have to pick which one. I mean, we can look around. Let's see. We can use.
No, me. Please.
No, he's not the green one. He's not the green one. No, don't give us me. I'm new to the game.
Did you vote me?
No.
Did you vote me?
Green.
Did you vote me?
Unstop.
I didn't
move. Green's the monster. Green is mine.
He pointed at me.
We can start moving.
No, he pointed at me. He pointed at me. Wait, did you
No,
vote?
whoever he
Did you
touches,
vote green or
he
me?
has to
Did
pick.
you vote green or me?
He picked green.
Okay.
So green. So wait, that's
You're
so
Smile.
green.
You have to chase us.
We can do this, Mr. Ball. Let me take my battery.
I'll give you a 10 seconds to
3, 2, 1, 1.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This way.
Doopity-doo. Doopa-da-ba-doopa-da-ba-da-da.
I'm a fast person.
Doopa. Doopa. Doopa-da-ba-doopa. Dimple-doople. Oh no. Wait, guys, what if he becomes a Smile? What if he becomes Smile?
Hey guys.
Boing. Juke. Ready.
Wait, Green, you have to count. Green, you have to count.
Yes! He has stick! No, he has a sword. I thought he had stick for a second. He's back. He's back. He's back.
Holy crap. That is the stick. That is the stick. That is
The sword? The sword.
How did he find us?
Bro, the sword's the stick? Sword's the stick?
Where's the mob
I got the
at?
stick.
Where's the mob
Yeah, I got
at?
the stick. The sword's the stick.
Hold up, Vex.
Got the stick.
Do you know what the mob
I got
at?
it.
Yo, can I be it?
will
Can
eat
I
your
be
face
it?
off,
I want to be it.
Hey, Vex,
Green.
can I eat your face off?
Yo, let
Green.
me be it. Everyone, let me
Green.
be it.
No, I want to be it. Can I be it?
No. Yo, guys. You want me to be it?
I mean, we can't
wanna
really
be
do
it.
it now. Vex is here.
I don't know.
Oh no, we can. We can. How about me and Vex? Me and Vex. Me and Vex. All right, guys, go run. Go to sewers. Go. 1, 2, 3,
Run!
5, 6, 7,
Honestly, I should be
9,
the real
10.
scary thing.
Okay, Vex, let's go. Yeah, Vex, let's get him. Let's get him, Vex. Hi, Green. Hi, Green. Green, come here.
I have flashback.
Do dee doo dee doo do dee doo dee doo do dee doo dee doo. Gotcha. Come here, Blue. Come here. Got you, Blue. I got you.
No, you didn't.
I did actually. I got you again. I got you again.
Freeze, everyone. We have to freeze yet.
Hello there. Gotcha, rat. AJ, I got you. Whatever your name is.
Steve, how do you want to
Rat.
Would you? Hello. Put on
Gotcha.
the
Gotcha, White. Vex.
joined the moderator server.
Vex, where are you?
I just joined the moderator server.
Vex, don't leave me. I gotta come with you.
Oh my god.
Yay!
Okay.
We won! No Vex!
No.
Guys.
Please.
He left me.
Grab my sword! Grab my sword! I have the same sword as you!
Guys, call him.
Grab my sword!
Call him. Summon him.
Come out.
Grab my sword! It's a wooden sword!
Wait.
He changed his name to
I
Run,
got a
I
wooden
think.
sword! Come
But
grab
I
my
think he
sword.
changed his name to Run.
Grab my sword!
Oh, you. Yeah, you are terrifying. I would run from you.
Wait, I have
Grab it! Grab it! Grab it!
my sword.
He's not here anymore.
Same sword.
He's not here anymore. We can go back to playing normally.
What?
We can go back to playing normally. Let's have
Daisy and Nine still here.
Guys, can I be a tagger?
wait, how about 2 taggers? 2 taggers. 2 taggers.
I'm sorry, did you just move?
I don't.
Holy
Not
crap!
me, not
He's
me.
still here!
Not it.
Did you really?
Not it.
Did you really? Come here!
Come on, come get us. Daisy, please. I'll do anything.
Look at my avatar, bro.
Please!
have to be.
Please, don't
Well,
tell me.
y'all. Oh, hey,
Daisy, come get us.
Daisy, a
Come get
long
us,
time
please.
ago.
I'll do anything.
run.
You, no,
friends, right?
don't leave.
Daisy, please no. Daisy, please no.
1305. Monkey 1305.
Wait, this
Do you own scale tool?
is secret.
Me?
Huh? No, I'm asking Monkey 1305.
I mean, I started this game like
1305,
2 days
yeah.
ago. So, I mean, I'm pretty new to this.
I'm 1005. Yep, totally.
Yeah. So I have
Definitely
this
not
sword,
30941 monkey.
this string.
Monkey.
Daisy,
Oh,
Daisy, I call upon you.
Four,
I call
I
upon you.
have this little plushie.
We're gonna
I have this
Okay.
pencil
I
and I
call
do
upon
this.
We have to find
And this is my favorite one. And I have this bag. And I also have this explosion.
Help! I'm in the sewers! He's
Are you-
chasing me!
And I also have this
Whoa.
See you!
And I also have
Hey, Daisy.
this thing on my head.
He doesn't know who to chase except me and you. Wait! Oh!
Mama,
Oh!
I'm in the thick of
everybody knows. They know me where there's no light skating and they froze.
Thing ever.
I'm running up in my bus on the cold. Freezing.
Scariest thing ever.
So I've been told. Run! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! No! Why me? Why me? Nothing but the white I'm just cold. Body is up the release of this all I've been told. Scream.
Everyone, we're playing a different game. Everyone, we're going to be playing hide and seek. The hiders have to go hide.
Wait, the Seeker's Daisy. The Seeker's Daisy.
Please don't chase me. Please don't chase me. Please don't chase me.
The Seeker's
Okay,
Daisy.
Daisy, you're the seeker. So we're going to hide in any map.
Okay, give us 20
They
seconds,
have to
okay?
be two people with the same person.
Any map?
Me and you paired. Me and you paired.
Guys,
Does anyone have no
yeah,
gravity?
me and you.
So Daisy,
me
Daisy,
and
hold
you.
on. Let me make sure you're
Okay,
still here.
now
Anyone have no
you and
gravity?
You and
Daisy?
White, Cyan, y'all are together, and you and Green. Y'all are going to
Okay, Daisy, give us
you're
20
with me.
seconds.
So-
Give us everybody hide now. Come on.
Daisy, give
Wait,
us
follow
20
me.
seconds.
Monkey. Follow me, Blue. Follow me.
Go. Yo, the same person can't follow the other two.
Who's my teammate?
I am not your teammate.
Who's my teammate again?
Come on, follow me.
Not me.
Oh my god, that's how I do it. Teammate, I'm
Everybody
going
go
to
to the
floor
floor.
1.
Over here.
Not telling you where, but floor
Yo,
1. Also get gravity. Get gravity. No gravity.
Don't
on.
fall.
Because I'm going.
Wait,
You know that cage in the
Wait,
sewer?
how can you turn it on? How can you
That's
turn
what it
it
leads to.
on?
Don't go.
Bro,
Hold on.
you go in your thing and equip no gravity.
But how do you do that?
Don't fall.
I don't know, but you just have to do it. That's how you.
Don't go out.
I flipped gravity, bro. I flipped gravity.
I don't even
Yeah,
know.
flip gravity.
Stay here,
flip
okay?
Gravity. Oh hey, Conehead.
Stay there.
Conehead, I'm not at Forest. I'm.
I know that. I know you're not.
I'm falling down right now.
Don't right behind you.
Does anyone see Daisy? Does anyone see Daisy?
I think one will fix it. I don't either. Who is Daisy, bro?
Does anybody know where Daisy is?
No.
Okay. Daisy, if you're in this campfire, come out and find us, okay? Hold on, everybody go to campfire. Everybody go to campfire. Go to fire. Or fireplace, whatever.
Campfire, but
Yeah, go to fireplace.
look above you, boy.
Cause he's not coming out.
Everyone go to-
We might need to summon him.
Again?
Daisy and I.
Oh,
Oh my god.
he heard us.
I'm in the thick of it.
Run! Run! He's here. He's coming for us. Stay there, okay? Stay there. Stay there. I'm going out. You guys, stay safe, okay?
This is so easy. Okay.
Come on. Let's go. Get out of there. Let's go. Get out of there.
Chase me out, Daddy. Chase me out, Daddy.
Come on.
Chase me out, Daddy, Marty.
You ain't scared? You ain't scared?
Chase me, Marty, and slow. Marty, and slow.
Oh, wait, why is this fire?
Chase me, Marty.
Come on, why is this fire?
Come on, chase me. Chase me.
Come on. on.
Where's my crown? That's my bling. Always got my ring.
Don't be a scared cat. Whoa.
You're too slow.
Oh, he's here. He's here.
You're too slow. You're too slow. You're too slow. Wait, cancel his music.
He's here. He's here.
If I just keep this torch, it's just wow.
Come on, bro.
Just come outside.
Over here. Over here, go.
Take your time.
Go. Run. Get over. Shit. Get back.
Let's go, bro. Right, hey, bro.
The career's more at stake than you and your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on
I'm gonna get so much copyright, aren't I?
Flying out of town for some peace of mind.
I escaped the Cyan. He can never find me.
This year, I will find you.
Fan.
Then where am I at?
Where'd he go? Guys, where'd he go?
He left right here. Right over there.
Oh, he
You're
left.
in the suitcase. Okay, come out.
Who wants to be it then? Who wants to be it? Who wants to be high?
I do. I'm white.
Seeker.
I'm monkey something.
Hold on. If you want, hold on. Everybody come to mirror. Everybody come to mirror.
Okay, I don't want to be.
Okay, I'll tell you.
No, we're gonna do a vote. We're gonna do a vote. We're gonna do a vote. Whoever wants to be it, whoever wants to be it, stand in front of the mirror like this if you want to be a seeker.
Not it.
Okay, we're gonna vote for one of them. We're gonna vote for one of them to be a seeker. I vote for orange. Wait, orange. Do you want to be a seeker or? Okay, never mind.
I want to be a hider.
I vote for green.
I want to be a hider.
I want to be a hider. Hey, I love the green.
Green.
I can see his eyes turning red. We have
Run, everybody! Go to sewer! Sewer!
Wait.
Sewer!
I'm telling you the location. Guys, go to my home. Come on, let's go to my home.